Some facts are so unbelievable. You'll swear I made them up. But every single one you're about to hear is 100% true. It will sound like I'm trolling you. But no. Every single fact you're about to hear is 100% real. Stick around till the end, because the last fact will change how you look at the world forever. Fact 1. Bananas versus strawberries. Bananas are officially classified as berries, but strawberries aren't. Science is confusing and also delicious. Fact 2. Venus time warp. A day on Venus is actually longer than a year on Venus. Imagine celebrating your birthday before the sun even sets. Fact 3. Octopus superpowers. Octopuses have 3 hearts, blue blood, and when stressed, they can literally eat their own arms. Talk about having a bad day. Fact 4. Stars versus sand. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Next time you're at the beach, just good luck counting. Fact 5. Sharks before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's older than trees. Imagine a shark swimming past a forest that doesn't even exist yet. Fact 6. Wombat poop mystery. Wombats poop in cubes. Perfect little dice-shaped poop. Scientists say it helps mark territory. But honestly, wombats just out here playing Minecraft in real life. Fact 7. Sloth versus dolphin. A sloth can hold its breath longer than a dolphin. Sloths, slow on land. Olympic champions underwater. Fact 8. Deadly vending machines. You're more likely to die from a falling vending machine than a shark attack. Next time you shake that machine for snacks, be careful. Fact 9. Eiffel Tower magic. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in the summer. Heat makes the metal expand, and it can grow over 6 inches. Paris in summer really does rise up. Fact 10. Your stomach's makeover. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days so you don't digest yourself. Yes, your body basically refreshes like a phone update. Fact 11. Jellyfish are immortal. Some jellyfish can actually reverse their age and live forever, unless they're eaten. Basically, nature built the ultimate reset button. Fact 12. Your stomach thinks plastic is food. Scientists found bacteria in your gut that can break down certain plastics. Yep, your stomach's been training for a recycling career. Fact 13. The moon fits inside Earth's oceans. The volume of the moon is about the same as the Pacific Ocean. Imagine just dropping the moon into the ocean like an ice cube. Fact 14. Lobsters don't die of old age. Lobsters technically don't age like we do. They keep growing, stay fertile, and only die from predators, or us putting them in boiling water. Fact 15. You're taller in the morning. When you wake up, you're about ½ an inch taller. Gravity compresses your spine during the day, so by nighttime, you shrink back down. So, unbelievable, right? And that was just a handful of the weirdest truths out there. If you want more facts that sound fake but are 100% real, smash that like button, because the next video is going to be even crazier. Trust me, you won't believe what's coming next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more life-changing insights.